Hey guys, it's Sherman. I'm one of the techs here at video1repair.com. I'm working on a Sony A7M2 camera. When I insert the SD card, it says, unable to read memory card, reinsert memory card. The customer had a broken piece of an SD card that was stuck inside of the card reader. They were able to remove the broken piece, but the card slot was still not working. I inspected the SD card slot and saw that the pins were damaged, so it needed to be replaced. The card slot is mounted to a small circuit board, and this part needs to be replaced. I'm replacing the card slot with a genuine part sourced directly from Sony. After installing the new SD card slot PCB, it's now time to put the camera back together for testing. As you can see, the SD card is working perfectly now. If you have any questions about having the SD card slot replaced on your Sony A7M2 camera, please give us a call or visit our website at video1repair.com.